Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Creativa MK. First, we're going to disassemble the box to make it easier to work with. Then I will leave the dividers aside and paint them at the end. Now I'm going to paint the entire box except the part where I'm going to paste the motif with black acrylic paint. When I painted everything what I planned, I'm going to apply water-based varnish to protect the box during the future work. You can see how I do that. I'm only applying the one coat of acrylic varnish for now. You can see and see how beautiful it shines. And of course, a little reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and you will receive notifications about every new video and tutorial, and in that way you will support me, of course. All of this is completely free. So the next step, I will use the paper tape to stick the box to do not open while I do the pouring art technique on the bottom of the box. The colors that I will use is the orange and a gray. Of course, I will need some water, and this is the procedure how it needs to work to do. In order for the paint to be easy to spread, we add water with the help of a straw. I will blow, and in this way spread the paint. When we want the color to be more transparent, we add more water. When we want to a stronger shade of color, then we do not dilute it with water. It's very important to know this, so as not to make mistakes in the work. Now I'm going to do the whole box on the outside by this way. If something is still not clear to you from this video, you can write in the comment and what you don't understand, and I will do my best to answer. So you can see how I blow this color, and this is the result. What is especially wonderful when it comes to this technique is that no page of the box is the same, no pattern is repeated, and it's truly a wonderful and unique box. And to be honest, this work is really relaxing. More interesting tutorials are coming soon, so subscribe to my channel, and of course don't forget to like this video, and if you want you can also share it on your social networks. When working with the pouring technique, you can use several different colors and blow that in different directions to make the resulting patterns more beautiful. I use only these two colors for this box because they fit with the motif. In the description of this video, I will leave a link to the WhatsApp group where I will post the motif which I use in this video, so that you can download it for free, of course. And now I will pass the motif. Look at that. It's perfect flowers for this kind of box. Like always, when working with a motif printed on paper, always first apply varnish or decoupage glue to the surface, and then slowly place the motif and press out the air. Once we have done all those steps, we remove the excess paper with a file or a sandpaper, and then again we after all those steps we varnish everything once more time. As you can see, everything is very simple to do. Now it's time for the partitions, and I will just paint them with orange acrylic paint and varnish them. I will lightly shade the whole box on the outside with a silver pearlescent shade, and I will highlight the motif with silver 3D contour paste. After I finish the painting this, and you can see how it looks now. It's very interesting box, and I'm sure that you will like it. Now we will shade the whole box from outside, of course, with this silver color from Dora Cadenza. It's wonderful. And with the silver 3D contour paste, we will highlight the motif. We do that on this way. And that's it. Please write to me in the comments how you like this box, or leave a orange little heart as a sign of support for my work. So I'm greeting you to the next video. Until the next video. Bye bye.